Good morning, everyone. It's a Monday. We're back at it. We've been blessed with another week, or at least another Monday. Who knows what'll happen today. Today we have, when a customer decides to go with our company, like I've explained before, we spend some time with them on the phone. We build a little bit of a relationship. It takes a couple of weeks for permits to go through. Actually, a little bit longer because we're really backed up. But you learn a lot about an individual. And today's homeowner has a lot of unusual concerns. And I'm not laughing at this person. I've never heard this stuff before. And the girls, they write everything down. Every conversation that's been had and any email back and forth, it's all printed out and it's put. So I was looking at the call sheet and a lot of stuff in there. One of the things and I've never heard this before, was she felt as if somebody she wanted a lock for our new installation. We're removing an above ground outside 275 gallon tank. We're replacing it with a new one. And she wants a lock on her fill because she feels that somebody has been sneaking into her tank and putting an additive in of product which is making her sick, possibly terminally sick. I've never heard that before. I mean, obviously, I would think everyone knows, and I've tried to explain this to her. The fuel, it just heats coils or it heats a tank. It heats the tank and the hot water. Actually, it just throws the heat out in the burner, which heats the water, which sends through your radiator, and then it comes back and it just cycles. So, like if you ever had a can of hairspray, you spray it and you held the lighter in front of it and it throws that flame out. It's exactly what's going on in your burner. But only there's a jet there and it's an oil mist of spray. So, unless I don't know something, I don't really think you can get sick. But she was under the assumption that the product that was burning in there was leaving a toxic odor from her radiators. So the first thing I want to do, obviously, when I get out there is to put her at ease, because anxiety is a terrible thing. So that's my first goal when we get out there. But she has other concerns too that we'll try to put to bed for her and make her feel comfortable. It's a little bit early today because I don't sleep. We're gonna load up 275, do some cleaning up with these trailers. I think it's about 5:45 in the morning. Boys will be here in about a half hour, and we'll introduce you to them when they get here. I just wanted to show you guys. I know I think I had a video. We had a tractor trailer of tanks delivered. I'm not sure how long ago it was, but it gave us over 110 tanks up here. Look at, we're just blowing through these tanks. I need another tank order. Also got the lights fixed, which is very cool. I don't know if there's a path over our 330s over there are extremely light. So I'm just gonna get a count up here and make another order. Well,
nothing.
How was the experience?
Of what?
Customer.
Wonderful. She's a very nice lady.
Okay. Yeah.
I think tomorrow. Perfect. I know in the contract it said something like if you find any little holes or something in here, you plug them up. like with
The old line. We're gonna use this hole.
like no, not like any things in
That we
you know,
make.
in the building itself that you
That
would,
we make. So it would be this hole.
No, I'm talking about like when you move this out.
Yes.
I can rake the leaves away. If you see the little holes where like mice and stuff can get in there, if you do you squirt in stuff with like gray stuff or something?
Well, no,
Foam.
We asked, but we would do this hole.
And that's the only hole you would.
Well, that has to do with the oil tank.
Okay.
Yes.
But you know, I am gonna kind of look and see if there's
Okay.
any
Well,
holes
once
that-
this goes out, we'll rake it all out.
Because about 2 months ago, all of a sudden mice came in, and I
Yeah.
thought, what the heck is going on here? What is going on? And I'm not used to that, and I just have to go wonder if something happened, you
got
know?
it.
Good morning, everybody. Okay, so
That's it.
I can move anything out of there if you want.
Nope, we're good to
No,
go.
it's perfect. Thank you.
And I'm gonna cut it like
Uh,
I have not
back same way.
back in May, 100
How
gallons,
do we-
and I didn't really use it because, you know, it was making me dizzy, and it was even getting worse after I got the delivery. So I
Is
said,
the
well,
door
let's-
open? Yeah,
let's
right?
use
That
it
is a
for
door.
some-
Yeah.
So I just figured we'll just time to do that. And I want to try to sell the home and get it ready to sell. That's a good thing to do.
I got it all. No worries. Just gonna go right here. Thank you.
Is that copper today?
Run some hoses. Run some hoses. All right. So what's the plan? You weren't very friendly.
What do you mean?
I'm just saying it didn't. I didn't get a friendly vibe.
I did.
Yeah.
She asked me to patch the holes throughout the side of her house.
Yeah. Well, and you got to rake leaves
Well, that's I don't. That's
because I
fine.
think the mice are coming in.
Sure. But I'm not patching up. She said the contract said we're patching all the holes.
All the holes.
If we find a hole in the side of the house, the contract says we patch it.
All right. Well, here it comes. Mikey's taking the cap out of the drain. We'll get a wrench and tighten that up. I want to cut it. I want to do it. Standing here doing nothing.
It's gonna cut like butter.
Nasty.
Wow.
Look at that. It's like Jello. Hey, let's run that copper first.
Yeah, man. I did something.
at it, I don't really see the
You don't see it? You don't see anything?
Yeah, that hole is so small.
Yeah.
They could get in there?
No.
I think there's a million other places they're coming in underneath.
Yeah, I don't know.
Dad, right there, down under all there.
It's all there? Everything?
Yeah.
Well, you know, if they want to get in, they'll get in.
Well, you provide a nice home for them, I'm sure.
What did you say?
You provide a nice home for them, I'm sure. Right?
No, I really... Well, you know what it is, it's getting colder.
Uh-huh.
I normally don't have that problem, but you don't see any obvious things.
No, no. I have some foam fill stuff. I'll try to fill that bottom for you.
Thank you.
Did you see all the sludge that was in this tank?
Like this, you know, they can eat their way in. If they
Oh, yeah,
want,
sure
because
they
of the weight
can.
on the bottom, and it needs a good cleaning up the whole thing.
Yeah,
you know.
yep.
But I'm getting ready to sell this. And
Are ya?
I've been through a lot with this house. It used to
Okay.
be more like a little camp, you know.
How long have you lived here?
I've been, well, actually, this is my grandmother's, and then it became my father's, and he gave it to me.
Okay.
So, but, you know, it's time to move on.
I got you.
You know,
Where you going?
so, are you finding anything interesting?
There was a lot of sludge in there.
Really interesting.
Yeah, I wish we called you before we scooped it, but it was bad.
So I figured something like that, you know, and it just probably...
I know you thought somebody was dumping product in it.
I really don't know. All of a sudden, you know,
Any more, Craig?
I wasn't using the burner that much, but it was fine until then. Everything was fine. But all of a sudden, I've been dizzy. When I turn it on, I'm dizzy.
You've been dizzy?
Then my spine started to hurt, and the nerves in my legs. So I
Wow.
said, we'll just leave this. I haven't really used
Okay.
it. But I don't really need to be sick, you know.
I understand. Well, everything's gonna be fine. Let me go get some foam. We have foam filler.
Being horizontal.
Yeah, that's why they're not good for that. I don't know why they would put a horizontal here, but the vertical will be better.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it'll look better too.
Good, Craig?
Yeah.
All right, so we're setting the blocks. You always cut 2 or 3 inches into the virgin soil. Start with your lowest block, and then we'll pull all our level lines off of that one. So we've got that. A lot of water comes down off this hill right there. And the chances are pretty good this gutter's not working. You got something right there, Craig.
Root?
A block.
Fun.
Oh, wow. What's that?
More? I need one.
You gotta flip it over. I can't see. Oh, yeah, that's good.
I have that fucking pickup.
You what?
Craig, I don't think they know the rides are ready for in store. The jobs that we have to do.
Tomorrow? I know. I gotta do it in red in the 80s. We're not gonna be able to unless you take this dirt.
What's that?
I think you have to go closer to the
Come on now.
I'll pull this one out.
But the bubble.
Nice job.
Some respect on my guy's name.
Come on, man. First shot, bro. First shot.
2 more.
Okay. Okay. Blocks are set in, yep.
Tell him which way to go backwards, too?
Why do I have to pick up every tank, folks?
Another one bites the dust. Yeah, I've noticed that, Corey. That's because you're the brawn. Just doing a final leveling here. Corey was doing the copper and Craig saved him.
Oh, I didn't.
Don't do that.
Forgot to
with
put the
your
nut
finger
on.
What happened? It's not on tape.
You're right.
So what happened?
I got nothing.
Okay. No video proof.
No evidence. Nothing.
What are you gonna do?
What about it? Is it tight?
Is this your first time doing this?
Have you cranked it without the other one?
Is this your first time doing this?
No.
Okay.
Third.
We're
This
gonna
is his third flare.
Well, let the folks see your real anger, Clark.
Oh, they'll see everything.
I have to do most of my editing to cut out Corey's anger.
Let's stare at him. Or don't get nervous.
I'm not getting nervous. But it's just
Oh,
not clicking.
oh my god!
Oh,
Oh my
jeez.
god! This is his worst one.
Do over.
His first one was
Look at
good.
him sweat. Look at the bead. Sweat.
He pulled the trigger. Drum roll. Probably should look at what you're doing.
He doesn't need to. Just twirls off.
Very nice. Very nice.
Could be better.
Yeah, that's even better. Good job, Cor.
See? Right on.
That one's the easiest one.
Right on.
You would think that
He's
that
blowing you out of the water, Mike.
no shot. You think this one would be harder to get on than going straight up into it? But holy crap, that is impossible. It's impossible. This is impossible. I don't
The
know.
trials and tribulations of my boys. Yabba-dabba-doo. None of you guys know what that is, do you?
Yeah, that's Flintstones, no?
Who does it though?
I didn't watch the Flintstones.
Who's Marsha? Marsha?
I don't know what that is.
Told you.
Brady Bunch. How old are you?
24.
Yeah, that was over like 40 years ago, probably.
No, my kids would know who does it. We watch that all the time in the car.
What?
Flintstones.
Yeah, not the Brady Bunch though.
Not great.
I got the Flintstones, right?
Flintstones is.
Fred sent it.
Fred. It's the only one I would have known. Wilma?
You happy with that, Cor?
Sure.
All right.
Are we trusting that?
He's got high standards.
That model one don't look too pretty, no?
I didn't know how to tighten all those.
You don't. I got it.
You do this?
I did that one.
You loosened it.
Apparently, we gotta check all of Corey's work now.
Yeah, look. Craig, move your head. Let's see if he tightened it. Not bad, not bad.
Well, he loosened it.
No.
Yeah.
You're a liar.
It's not for the camera, because then they're making me look bad. Hey,
Corey, listen, we
No.
didn't even ask. You know, you did that on your own. So I like the leadership.
now I get to hold this, and you guys walk.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, so Corey wants to start the burner. Let's see if he knows that's where the on-off switch is. All right, come on.
What am I doing?
You're gonna fire the burner. You wanted to fire it, right?
Where's the switch? This thing?
No, that's not. Gonna blow the house up.
Sure.
It's a little red switch, remember?
Yeah, I know. I'm looking for it. Do you know where it is?
Yeah.
Yes.
I went in and showed everybody where it was
Okay.
because we knew you weren't gonna find it.
Well, you guys set me up for failure. Then.
No. You wanted to fire the burner.
I just want to flip the switch and press a button.
Okay, well, go ahead.
Mike, do you know where it is?
Yes.
Is it in this room?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You guys set me up for failure.
No? The switch for the burner is in here. I would never lie.
For code purposes, it has to, no?
It should, yeah. Definitely. An emergency.
Hello, I got a phone call. I gotta pick this up.
Corey,
You said blow the house up.
you can't never listen to me. Corey. You had it. You had it. You had it. You got it too quick. That's why I was trying to make drama here. Yeah, you walked in and said, "Is that it?" That's no good.
Rude.
Sorry. Gotta look at that phone, huh?
I've never seen that switch before.
So go ahead, start
That's
the
an old
burner.
one. How old do you think that switch is?
They're old ones.
You know what you're doing?
Nope.
Why'd you push that button?
I've seen them push a bunch of red buttons.
What'd you push? Don't touch that.
Oh, he did already.
It's good. The only way you touch that is if it's out of it. So that means that it needs to reset. It's probably not calling for heat because it's 80 degrees out. She probably needs to turn the heat up.
Well, that was anticlimactic. Okay, folks.
You gotta go tell her to turn the heat up.
There it is. Bro, I have to edit so much of this video because of this guy. Packing up, cleaning up. Tomorrow we're starting a New Jersey remediation, so we'll have oversight there, a company called Viridian. They're good guys. And we're doing it for a customer who we like. He's a big YouTube guy. He's a fan of our channel, so we're gonna help him out. That's another fine job. Tank Masters Environmental.